Breaking the ice with women can be intimidating, but with a little bit of swag, it can make all the difference. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 ways to approach women with pure swag, whether online or in these streets. Whether you're approaching women online or in person, these tips will help you make a great first impression and increase your chances of having a casual relationship with her. So let's get started with tip 1. Be confident and authentic. Of all the turn-ons in the world, women will be attracted to a confident man the most. So make sure to approach them with a smile and maintain good eye contact when in person. And approaching women online, talk to her like you know that she already likes you. And most importantly, when meeting women online and in person, be yourself. Authenticity is key in building a genuine connection with the ladies. And always remember this. Being yourself is where the true swag comes from. Tip number 2. Use a playful and lighthearted approach. Women love a man with a sense of humor. So don't be afraid to use a playful and lighthearted approach. Look, you don't have to be Cat Williams to make her laugh. The best way to show a sense of humor to your future FVB buddy is to not take yourself too seriously. Learn to laugh at yourself and your mistakes. This will help you not to take everything too seriously and find the humor in everyday situations. It will also help break the ice and make the interaction with her more fun and enjoyable. On to tip number 3. Show genuine interest and listen actively. When approaching women, it is important to show genuine interest in getting to know them. Some you guys talk to these women either like they're bill collectors or like they're your boss. You cannot talk to women with apprehension or a ton of tension. Remember, no matter how sexy you find a woman, she is just a human being. So treat her like one. Ask her questions and actively listen to their responses. This will make them feel valued and appreciated. And tip number 4, be respectful and read the situation. It's important to respect a woman's boundaries and read the situation. Fellas, learning how to read the situation not only helps in dating, but life in general. You gotta learn how to read the room, especially when it comes to women. If she seems interested or busy, don't push the interaction. Instead, politely excuse yourself and move on with your life. Sometimes that same woman that dissed you will be feeling you in the future. Why? Because women are temperamental creatures who don't even know why they do or feel certain things. As a man, you cannot worry about a woman's ever-changing feelings. Simply talk to women who shares your level of interest. The 5th and final tip, be yourself and have fun. The most important thing is to be yourself and have fun. What's the point of casual dating if you ain't having fun? Women are attracted to men who are confident and authentic. And you know what confident and authentic men tend to have? Fun. Whether on a date or in the bedroom, focus on having fun with her. And here's why most women live a boring, ordinary life. They are craving a dude who will have the unmitigated gal to come into their lives and provide them with fun. So don't be afraid to let your true personality shine and have some damn fun with these women. So there you have it, 5 ways to approach women with pure swag. Remember to be confident, playful, genuine, respectful, and most importantly, have some damn fun. Good luck and hope you find your friends with benefits partner today.